first microbiology job is the microbiology scientist. Now here you can work as a microbiology scientist in central government or state government research institutes or in the private research institutes. You can start your own research lab as a microbiology scientist. The salary package will be 65,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Next job is the clinical microbiologist. You can start your career as a clinical microbiologist in central government or state government research institutes, or you can start your career clinical microbiologist in private clinical research development departments, or you can start your own clinical research labs. Okay, your salary package would be like 45,000 to 80,000 per month. Next job is the microbiology lab technician. Now here you can start your job in central government or state government research labs or in the private research labs, and you can establish your own research lab also, or you can start your career as a lab technician in the hospitals also. Your salary package would be 35,000 to 50,000 per month. Next job is a microbiology officer. Now this job is totally related to the industries like pharma industry, food industry, milk industry, agriculture industry, etc. Now here you can start your career in central government or state government industries or in the private industries, or you can establish your own industry as a microbiology officer. Now here you have to work in the quality control or quality assurance department or in the production department. The salary package would be 65,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Next job is a microbiology professor. Now here you can start your career as a microbiology professor in central or state government universities or institute, or in the private universities or institutes, or you can establish your own microbiology institute also. Here your salary package would be 45,000 to 80,000 per month. That is last job is a microbiology writer. Now you can start your career as a microbiology writer while writing the subject books, research papers, review papers, blogs, journal, and the news bulletin of microbiology. So these are some interesting jobs of microbiology present all over the world. Thanks a lot.